Planning your wedding should be a fun and rewarding experience, and you want to avoid getting bogged down with each and every decision. One of the first and most important decisions that you need to make about your wedding is selecting your color scheme. Yes, in order to make this decision easy for you, try selecting colors that match the environment, take an inspiration from your favorite colors and decorating styles, and choose colors that complement each other and work well together. In this 3-part series, I will give you ways on choosing the right colors for your wedding. Today, on part 1, selecting colors that match the environment. First, choose a color that will complement the venue. Look at the colors used in your venue carpeting, drapery, and decorations. If the venue has strong and bold colors, you may want to select a complementary color scheme. For example, a venue with deep red carpeting and gold finishes may clash with a mint green and gray color scheme. Instead, you could use red and gold in your color scheme to match the venue. If you already have your heart set on a certain color, you may need to select a neutrally decorated site, such as a hall with white or neutral walls, a converted loft space, or a backyard tent. Number 2, pick colors to match the season. A great way to choose your wedding colors is to take inspiration from the season that you're getting married. For example, if you're saying I do in the spring, you could look for light pastel colors for inspiration. Seasonal colors combination to consider include. Okay, now, dark and deep color tones or metallic colors like pewter or bronze, copper, silver, gold for a winter wedding. Light pastels paired with a few deeper shades like plum or coral can be for a spring wedding. Bright colors like bold yellows and purples, reds, or blues for a summer wedding. And earth tones like moss green, burgundy, gold, amber, and maroon are excellent for fall weddings. Number 3, incorporate colors from the surrounding environment. If you've decided on a destination wedding, you could pick colors that reflect the tropical environment. Consider bright floral colors like yellow, pink, purple, blue, and green. Alternatively, if you are getting married in a vineyard, greens, purples, and blues would look beautiful. Consider the natural color hues found within the surrounding environment and use them in your wedding color scheme. Number 4, select colors based on your favorite seasonal blooms. Although you can get most flowers during any season, it is more eco-friendly and less costly to select seasonal flowers for your wedding. Get color inspiration from your favorite seasonal flowers. Choose a flower and color that you love and then build your color scheme around that. For example, if sunflowers are your thing, there is no reason why they shouldn't make it into your decor scheme. The color of your bouquet could be used as the dominant color in your decorating scheme or as an accent color to give it a bit of a pop. Number 5, consider the mood that you're trying to create. The colors you choose can help to create a certain mood. For example, red is associated with passion and romance, whereas yellow is frequently associated with joy and happiness. Pick colors based on the tone that you like to set for the event. Use dark colors to create a dramatic atmosphere. And alternatively, light colors can be used to create a fun and carefree wedding. I do hope that this will help you pick those wonderful colors for your special day. For a Coffee Time Moment, I'm Jaclyn St James. Thanks for watching.